I look so tired. Look at my tired face, man.
That's my face.
Well, yeah, that's your face, but
Yeah,
this is my tired face.
Yeah.
Okay, well, new video going up today for my Frantic Assembly workshop. So where are we going, Mum?
Princess Risborough train station.
Princess what?
Risborough.
Oh, Risborough. Is that how you say it?
Could be. Princess Risborough.
Yeah. That's how you say it.
I'm so happy to have you to correct me, Sam, because you're so wonderful and marvellous. So full of self-confidence.
You're just saying I'm big-headed?
Yes.
Alright, fair enough.
Overly big-headed.
Thank you. So yeah, just do like my tired look face in the morning, because it's nearly 8 o'clock and I've been up since 6:30, so I'm tired. Put this up, then I'll do a reaction video thing afterwards when I've come back from the workshop, so new stuff coming.